Hello children. Hello children. Welcome in class 2. Today in this video we are going to study about the 3-digit subtraction, okay, and word problems, okay. Already you have studied word problems on Friday, but still I'm going to revise it. So I would like to request you that sit with your notebook, pencil and eraser. Yes? Everybody has to sit with your pencil, eraser and notebook, maths notebook. Take out your maths notebook and write the word problem subtraction. Okay? Are you all ready? Yes. So, I'm going to start with a number 1 word problem. Okay? So, this is a number 1. Everybody has a notebook. Take out your notebook, write the number 1 and write the word problem in the notebook. Yes? I am going to read for you. Okay? Write down in the notebook. There are 671 people. Are you all writing? Okay. There are 671 people watching the soccer game. 482 of them are adults. Full stop. How many kids are watching the soccer game? So, have you all understood the question? What is the question? वहाँ पे कितने पीपल वॉच कर रहे सॉकर गेम? 671 पीपल वॉच कर रहे और उसमें से 482 एडल्ट से। तो हम लोगों को देखना है कि वहाँ पे हाउ मेनी किड्स आर देयर, हाउ मेनी किड्स आर वॉचिंग द सॉकर गेम. सो डिड यू ऑल राइट द क्वेश्चन इन योर नोटबुक? You have to write the question in your notebook. So, how are we going to solve this? Now, step by step, we will go. What we will write first? Who can tell me? We are going to solve solution. What we will write first? Solution. This is a first step. Okay. Next is what? There are 671 people watching the soccer game. So, number of people. What you are going to write here? Number of people watching soccer game is equal to how many? 671. Yes? And next, among them, number of adults. Among them, everybody has to write this sum in your notebook, in maths notebook, okay? Number of adults. Is equal to how many? 482. So, which is a smaller number and which is a bigger number? How are we going to solve this? What we will do here over here? Addition or subtraction? Already I have told at the beginning that this is a subtraction word problem. So, how are we all going to solve this? Yes, who can tell me? So, first of all, we are going to write 100, tens and ones. Yes, and make a proper column. Then you are going to write 671 number of people watching soccer game and subtract how much adult? 482. Okay. Now tell me, can we subtract 1 minus 2? 2 from 1? Can we subtract 2 from 1? No, because we have to start from the ones place. Always we have to start from the ones place. Yes? From right to left. We have to go to right to left. So, 1 minus 2. Can we do it that? No. So, what we will do? We have to borrow 1 from the tens place. From the tens position. From the tens. So, if I take 1 from the tens, so how much remain over here? 6. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. So, I am putting 6 over here and it's become a 11. So, 11 minus 2. So, how are you going to minus 11 minus 2? After 2, start counting till 11. Start counting till 11. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, what answer have you got? What answer have you got? Yes, I am waiting for your answer. Chalo, 11 minus 2. What is the answer? Who can tell me what is the answer? Eleven minus 2. So that is a 9. What? That is a 9. And here again 6 minus 8. Can we do the 6 minus 8? No, we cannot do the 6 minus 8. So again you have to go to the hundreds place. You have to go to the hundreds place. And what you have to do? You have to borrow 1 from the hundreds place. If I take 1 from the hundreds place, here it's become a 5. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Okay. And here it's become a 16. It's become a 16. And 16 minus 8. Chalo, do it. 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8. How I have told you? Start counting after 8. So, you will get a answer. Till comes 16. Okay, after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, what is the answer? 8. Very good. So, answer is a 8. So, answer is 8. Again, now we will go to the hundreds position. We will go to the hundreds position. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. So, what is the answer? 5 minus 4? 1. So, what answer have you got? 189. We have got answer 189. Have you all understood? Okay, that's good. We will go to the next sum now. Are you all writing in your notebook? everybody has to write this sum in your notebook. Okay. Write this sum in your notebook. I am giving you a time to write. Okay. Now we will go to the next word problem. Okay. Now this is a second one. Chalo, start writing in your notebook. Leave one line and start writing. Leave one line and start writing. Number 2. This is a number 2. Toby sold 253 bottles of water. What? Toby sold 253 bottles of water and 178 juice boxes. Okay, are you all writing? You all are going to write with me. Toby sold 253 bottles of water and 178 juice boxes. Full stop. Then what is the question? How many more bottles of water than juice boxes did Toby sell? Question mark. So how we are going to solve this? First of all, you are going to write the solution. You are going to write the solution. Okay. Then what we will write? What will be the next step? Toby sold bottles of water is equal to Toby sold bottles of water is equal to how many? 253. Okay. So next statement is what? And 178 juice boxes. Juice boxes is equal to is equal to 178. Okay. So these are our statements. Two statements we have written. So same way again we are going to write 100, tens and ones. Okay. Three columns. Okay. Use the scale and then only you can draw these columns. Okay. First of all, we are going to write the number of bottles, sold the bottles of water. Okay. How many? 253. And juice boxes, the number should written one below the another. Number has to be written one below the another. Okay. 178. Don't forget to give the minus sign. Okay. That is very important. Always we have to give that sign because we are doing the subtraction, word problem of subtraction. Now from where we are going to start? We are going to start from the ones column. Always we have to start from the right side. Okay. So first of all we are going to start from the ones column. So we will we cannot separate 8 from 3. So we will borrow the 1 from the tens column. Then here 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, and then cut this 3 and it's become a 13. 13 minus 8. Start counting after 8 till 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what is our answer? 5. We got 5, and we are going to write the 5 in a ones column. We are going to write the 5 in a ones column. Now we will go to the tens, in a tens column, in a tens position. So again here 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 4. So here also the same way, we have to borrow 1 from the hundreds column. Borrow 1 from the hundreds column. So I am taking 1 from here. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So 4 minus 7. So here is become a 14. Sorry. 14 minus 7. So start counting after the 7 till 14. Okay, start counting. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So what answer have you got? 7. So 7 you are going to write in tens column, and here is a 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is our answer? 75. 75. But at last, how we are going to write this answer? So how we are going to write the answers? Answer. Therefore, answer. What is the question? How many more bottles of water than juice boxes did Toby sold? Toby 75 boxes. Toby sold. This is the way to write the answer. Understood? Okay, that's great. Now we'll go to the next sum. Third one, okay? We'll go to the third one. Everybody has to write this sum in your notebook, okay? Check this. Now see that. Number 3. Naveen had ₹100 with him. Write down in your notebook. Naveen had ₹100 with him. Full stop. He bought chocolates for ₹41. He bought chocolates for ₹41. Okay. Full stop. What would be the balance amount left with Naveen? तो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? सपोज आपकी मम्मी ने आपके पास 100 रुपीज दिए हैं और उसमें से आपने 41 रुपीज की चॉकलेट लाई है, तो आपके पास कितने मनी और रुपीज कितने लेफ्ट हो गए हैं, ये हम लोगों को ढूंढना है. ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड दिस. ओके, सो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू दिस? सेम वे, write the solution and statement you are going to write over here. Naveen had rupees 100. He bought, next is, he bought the chocolates, number of chocolates. Chocolates is equal to rupees 41. Okay. So, what would be the balance amount left with Navin? Okay. So, same way we are going to write this. This is a 3-digit number. This is a 100 is a 3-digit number. But that this is a 41 is a 2-digit number. So, how we are going to write this? Same way, 100, tens and ones. Make 3 columns. First of all, you are going to write the bigger number. So, 100. Sorry. Make one more column extra. And then, what is the next amount? 41. And 100 minus 41. Don't forget to give the minus sign. Okay, now who is going to tell me the answer? I'm waiting for your answer now. I will count till 5 and you are going to give me answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm waiting for your answer. Who is ready with your answer? Chalo fast. Who is going to tell me the answer? Okay, first of all, 9 will come here. Very good. Here it's become a 9 because we have taken 1 from here. Yes? So it's become a 10. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Here is a no number. So we have taken 1 from the hundreds column. Hundreds column. Yes? Yes? Have you understood how we have done this? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. There is a no number. There is a no number. So what we have done here? What did we do here? So it's become a 10. Here also become a 10. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. And here is a no number. In hundreds column there is a no number. So here I am going to write a 0. So what is the answer? 69. So our answer is a 69. Yes? Have you all understood? Have you all understood? Okay. Now what I am going to tell that, listen it carefully, okay? Now you all are going to submit your classwork, means whatever Google forms are there, you are going to submit it to me, to Snehalata ma'am, and an EVS to Bharti ma'am, okay? And Google form, whatever Google forms I am sending on the classroom, Google Classroom, you are going to write the same in the notebook, and you will take the picture of that and you will send it to me. And the whatever sums we have done just now, those also you are going to write down in your notebook, okay? Okay? Okay, sorry, here is become a 9 and it's become a 5, 50, 9. Have you all understood what do we have to do? You all are going to send me your homework to me on my personal number. Okay? Bye bye. Take care.